Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fib Time Zone tool. This powerful technical analysis instrument helps traders identify potential time-based reversals in market trends. By applying Fibonacci sequences to the time axis, it projects vertical lines that can signal when a market might change direction. We will cover its setup and interpretation for effective trading. To draw the Fib Time Zone tool, first locate it in your charting platform's Drawing Tools menu. Next, you will click and drag your mouse from a significant swing high to a corresponding swing low, or vice versa. This action establishes the initial time period, and the tool automatically generates subsequent vertical lines based on Fibonacci ratios, extending into the future. Once drawn, the vertical lines of the Fib Time Zone tool indicate potential moments when the market's trend might shift. These lines are spaced using Fibonacci numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. It is crucial to observe price action as it approaches these zones. Look for candlestick patterns or other indicators to confirm a potential reversal. For practical usage, apply Fib Time Zones across various time frames, from short-term to long-term charts. Remember, this tool is most effective when used in conjunction with other technical indicators, such as support and resistance levels or moving averages. Consistent practice and backtesting on historical data will significantly improve your ability to accurately interpret these valuable time-based signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.